Hello developers, hope you are doing good. We have been making videos only on CSS in recent times. For a change, why can't we try something with JS? Yeah, as you see in the thumbnail, let's create a random password generator. As you see here, this is the website what we are about to build in this tutorial. Here, after entering your password character length, you can able to generate the strong password within a single click. Along with that, the password which is generated will be copied automatically to your clipboard. Let me paste it somewhere to show you that is working. For this video, I'm going to focus on the JavaScript part. So I'm skipping over the HTML and CSS portion. If you want to refer it, you can pause the video and do that. Now let's dive into our JavaScript portion. To get started, let's create a variable for this input field, this button and this ID inside our JavaScript. Const password equal to document dot get element by ID password. Const generator equal to document dot get element by ID generator. Const password length equal to document dot get element by ID password length. We need to enable this generate button once we have valid integer in this input field. For that, let's create one event listener for password length. Password length dot add event listener, and here we need to pass callback function generator dot disabled equal to e dot target dot value equal to empty. This means this will be disabled if that input field is empty. Let's go and check that. Once we start entering some valid integer, it's supposed to be work. Let's go and check why it is not working. Okay, here the ID is generate, but here we have provided a generator, so that's the problem. Let me change it and check it once again. So here if we enter some valid integers, it is enabled, so that is working fine. And now let's create a on click event listener for generator. Here we need to generate and set the password to our password container. So password dot inner HTML equal to generate password. Let's create a function called generate password. Function generate password, which would return password. Let's create one variable called password. Here we need to provide the character set. Let me call it as a char set, and I already have the character set, so let me copy paste it. So this is nothing but A to Z upper and lower case alphabets and some special symbols. Let's create a variable for password length. We are already taking that from the user's input, so password length dot value, and let's get the character set length and save it somewhere. For let I is equal to 0, I less than length I plus plus, password plus equal to character set of chars at math dot floor inside math dot floor math dot random into char set length. I know this function might feel little confusing. Let me explain it. Here, this math dot random will generate numbers between 0 to 1 in decimal points, and then we need to multiply it with our character set length to get some decimal number in the range of 0 to char set length. For example, just take it as a 60. So this will return the decimal number between 0 to 60. So this math dot floor will round off that particular value. That means if the output is 60.5, it will give us a 61, and this char set dot caret will take that particular character from this char set. So that is what is happening here. Let me go and check it in the browser. Okay, this is working pretty fine. Now let's go and write some code to copy this text to our clipboard. So inside my click event listener, window dot navigator dot clipboard dot write text. So before going to do that, let's save this function output somewhere else. So now let's go back to our browser and check it once again. Now let's open the notepad and try to paste it. Yeah, it is working pretty fine. That's it about today's video. Hope you learned something new from this. As usual, just eat, code, sleep and repeat, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.